Hi, welcome to Bite-Size Coaching with 6 Dot. Today, we want to answer a question that a lot of people ask, people who are interested in business analysis. That question is, what is business analysis? Well, my name is Bola. I'm the founder and lead coach at 6dot.io. Let's take, for example, a company. We call them ABC Inc. That's the company that we're studying. This company, for them to be able to operate, will need people. So we have people, like the staff, the people that work there. This company will implement some technologies. They have technologies. Also, these companies will have some processes. And the people will use technologies and the process to deliver some sort of value in form of product, in form of service to their stakeholders. These stakeholders can be their customers. So this is a very simple operating model. As it is right now, this company is doing $150 million per annum. That's how they're doing right now. Also, this company takes 2 days to deliver a particular product or service to their customers. So their turnaround time is 2 days. But this current state, this current situation is not good for this organization. By making 150 million, they're actually losing a lot of money. By taking 2 days, their customers are complaining. So they want to change. They want to move from their current state to a future state. And in their future state, they want to be doing twice the amount that they're currently doing. They want to do $300 million per annum. They also want to improve their processes by reducing the turnaround time from 2 days to 1 day. And guess what? By just continuing here, they won't be able to achieve this. And this is really where business analysis comes in. It is business analysis that will first help them to understand the current state, the environment that they operate in, every factor that is involved in the environment, help them to define the future state, and recommend something, either a technology, either an idea, or either an initiative that will help this ABC Inc. to move from 150 million per annum to 300 million per annum. It is also business analysis that will help them to identify what they can do to be able to move from 2 days turnaround time to 1 day turnaround time. So let's break down what business analysis does in 3 ways. 1, help them to recommend initiatives. They recommend the initiative, they'll give it to the leadership of ABC Inc. And once the leadership of ABC approves the initiative, then it goes into implementation. The second thing. 2, they will work with the several stakeholders to implement the initiative and make sure that it is successful. The third thing that they will do typically is make sure that once the initiative has been implemented, the people here, the environment here is ready to be able to use that initiative for the organization to achieve their future state. So that's really what business analysis is in a nutshell. So if I would define business analysis, I would say it's the practice of enabling change in an organization by defining needs and recommending solutions to deliver value to their stakeholders. If you want to learn more about business analysis, reach out to us at www.6dot.io. I'll see you again. Bye.